Hey everyone, it's Kevin.
And I'm Kendall with ES Solar. Today we're at one of our most powerful home installs yet.
Let's go check it out.
This home is now powered by 51 high-efficiency 450-watt solar panels. Now that's some serious solar energy.
And to take it even further, we installed 4 Tesla Powerwall 3s for next-level backup and energy independence.
These Powerwalls store excess solar energy during the day, and they also keep your home running during a power outage.
Plus, they help reduce electricity bills by shifting to off-peak hours, clean, smart, and future-ready.
At ES Solar, we make it simple, powerful, personal for all of your energy needs.
Ready to upgrade your home like this one? Let's talk. Visit us at ES Solar today for your free quote. Power your future with ES Solar.